TrapMan trap transfer cage. 2 carrying handles, sliding door to get your cat in and out. Mates up ideally with our Troll Gold cat trap. So you imagine your cat's already been captured, make that up to there, take the door out, slide this door up, move your cat along inside the cage using one of our combs, gently. Once you've got him inside the cage, make sure you put the door down before removing the cage strap. Put a cable tie on the top of the cage door just to make sure that doesn't slide up when you've got it in the car. When you get to the vet, undo the 2 bars, lift the top up, big top to get your cat out of. Administer any first aid that you need to give it at the vets, put the bat back in. TrapMan trap transfer cage.